we will learn to write before number 0 to 10 on page number 69 of your maths class workbook. Here I have written number 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Let's see the first number, that is number 7. And which number comes before number 7? Let's check. Number 6 comes before number 7. So, we will write number 6 in this circle. Next number is number 5. Let's check which number comes before number 5. Number 4 comes before number 5. So, we will write number 4 in this circle. Next number is number 1. And which number comes before number 1? Let's see. Number 0 comes before number 1. So we will write number 0 in this circle. Next number is number 2. And which number comes before number 2? Let's see. Number 1 comes before number 2. So we will write number 1 in this circle. Next number is number 6. Which number comes before number 6? Let's see. Number 5 comes before number 6. So we will write number 5 in this circle. Next number is number 4. And let's see which number comes before number 4. Number 3 comes before number 4. So we will write number 3 before number 4. Next number is number 8. And which number comes before number 8? Number 7 comes before number 8. So we will write number 7 in this circle. And last number is number 9. And let's check which number comes before number 9. Number 8 comes before number 9. So we will write number 8 in this circle. Kids, in this way you will complete page number 69.